Communications Commission and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Today's test will be similar to locally originated tests you hear weekly on KGOU. It's the first of its kind nationwide test of the EAS that would be used in the event of an emergency to disseminate vital information to the public. The test is expected to last anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes, after which we will resume our regularly scheduled programming. The test will occur simultaneously on TV, cable, satellite, and radio. The radio test will be sent by FEMA to the point of entry station for Oklahoma, which is KRMG in Tulsa. You can find out much more information about this test online at fema.gov/EAS test.
Emergency alert system. Emergency alert system.
And that concludes the first ever nationwide test of the emergency alert system. We now return to our regularly scheduled programming, NPR's hourly newscast already in progress.